The automatic emergency braking (AEB) with pedestrian detection can help the driver when there is a risk of a forward collision with a vehicle ahead in the traveling lane or with a pedestrian. The AEB system uses a radar sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to the vehicle ahead in the same lane and operates at speeds above approximately 5 km per hour. The system uses a camera installed behind the windshield to help detect pedestrians. The pedestrian detection function operates between approximately 10 and 60 km per hour. If a risk of a forward collision with a vehicle is detected, the system provides a warning to the driver by a visual indicator, along with an audible alert. If the driver does not take action, the system issues a second visual and audible warning, and also applies partial braking. If the risk of a collision with the vehicle ahead becomes imminent, the system applies harder braking automatically. If a risk of a forward collision with a pedestrian is detected, the system will provide an audible and visual warning and apply partial braking. If the risk of a collision becomes imminent and the driver does not take action, the system will automatically apply harder braking. To turn the system on or off, press the right or left arrow button until Settings displays. Press the up or down arrow button to select Driver Assistance. Press the OK button. Select Emergency Brake. Press the OK button. Select System and use the OK button to turn the system on or off. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.